Welcome back. Today we're doing an amazing steak salad copycat recipe from Texas Roadhouse. The first thing you're doing is getting a nice, delicious USDA Prime ribeye steak. After applying salt and pepper to one side, we rolled it along the cutting board to make sure the thick sides of the steak also got coated. This is a little something extra: butter, garlic powder, and a rosemary brush. We'll see this later on. Get a nice rip-roaring charcoal fire on your grill. Place your steak down and let it hear that sizzle. We are cooking the steak with the direct sear method. Once we have both sides nicely seared, we'll take the steak off direct heat and let it come up to temperature slowly with indirect heat. And now, because the steak is so thick, I chose to put it on its side so we get the sides nice and caramelized as well. Now we just pulled it off direct heat, and now we're using the rosemary with garlic powder and butter to paint flavor on this steak. Once we had an internal temperature of 120 degrees, removed it from indirect heat, placed it under tin foil to let it rest for about 5 minutes before we sliced into it. And I'll be quiet for this part here. And now this is a hard thing to say, but let's make a salad. A layer of iceberg lettuce going down first. Some nice sliced cherry tomatoes. Healthy portion of bacon bits. More bacon bits. Croutons. This is the first dressing we're putting on, is Italian dressing. Some blue cheese crumbles. Let's put on that steak. And blue cheese dressing right over the top. And there you have it. An amazing steak salad copycat recipe from Texas Roadhouse. This steak tasted absolutely incredible. Please let me know what you think of it in the comments section. And also, while you're down there, add any suggestions you have for any future videos. Thank you everybody for watching. And as always, keep barbecuing America. Cheers.